It finally happened. The Supreme Court of the United States, the last wall standing between the Constitution and chaos, has just dropped a ruling that could change everything. In a decision that's sending shockwaves through the judiciary, the court has moved to limit the power of federal judges to issue nationwide injunctions, a favorite tool of activist courts to block Donald Trump's America First agenda at every turn. Welcome back to American Info, where we cut through the noise and deliver the truth. This ruling isn't just a procedural tweak, it's a political earthquake. For years, a single federal judge in San Francisco, Seattle, or some Obama-appointed courtroom in Hawaii could shut down national immigration policy, military orders, and even executive actions signed by the president himself. That's right, one unelected judge could paralyze the entire federal government with a pen. And Donald Trump? He's been saying it for years. We can't govern like this. This isn't checks and balances. This is sabotage. And now the highest court in the land agrees. Here's what this really means. Trump's 2025 campaign isn't just about reclaiming the White House. It's about restoring executive authority, the kind that lets a president lead without being handcuffed by rogue judges who think they're kings. With this Supreme Court ruling, the weaponization of nationwide injunctions just got neutered. And the timing couldn't be more explosive. Because Trump is already rolling out plans for day one executive orders, immigration crackdowns, DOJ reforms, and yes, the firing of deep state loyalists. But until now, every time Trump tried to act, he was immediately blocked by one radical judge. One lawsuit. One activist. Not anymore. The left is in full meltdown. Legal scholars are calling it a power grab. The corporate media, already using the word dictator. And Democrat lawmakers? They're panicking because the judicial shortcut they've used for years to kneecap Trump just got boarded up. But ask yourself, why are they so afraid of a president who can act within the Constitution? Here's the truth. They don't fear dictatorship, they fear accountability. They know that a free, fearless, and unleashed Trump means an exposed bureaucracy, a defunded swamp, and a return to American sovereignty. Let's talk strategy. With nationwide injunctions now restricted, a future Trump administration won't need to tiptoe around hostile courts. That means immigration enforcement can ramp up immediately, border security can be restored, and transparency orders can go into effect without being stalled for years in court. It's what the people voted for in 2016. It's what they were denied by the courts in 2018. And in 2025, it's finally within reach. Because this ruling isn't just a win for Trump, it's a win for the Constitution, for separation of powers, and for every American who wants their vote to matter more than a federal judge's feelings. And now the question isn't whether Trump will act, it's how far he'll go. The roadmap is clear. The authority is restored. And the agenda is loaded. From mass deportations to DOJ reform, from defunding the globalist NGOs to cutting off sanctuary cities, everything that was blocked by the courts is now back on the table. This is your moment to wake up, speak up, and stand up. Because if the courts won't stop Trump, then the only thing standing in his way is us. And millions of Americans are ready, not to resist, but to restore. To restore the country they love. To restore the power of the presidency. To restore the truth. This was today's explosive update from American Info. If you're sick of activist judges, sick of judicial tyranny, and sick of seeing your voice silenced, smash that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to never miss the truth the mainstream won't show. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay strong, and may God bless America.